KATC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back and Merry Christmas. Hopefully everyone had a nice day. Definitely warm for the time of year. Upper 70s to even a record-tying 80 degrees in Lafayette earlier this afternoon, and it's going to stay unseasonably warm through the rest of the year. Only changes is that we will start to see slightly better rain chances by the middle and latter parts of the week. More on that in just a bit, but here it is, the almanac for Lafayette. We hit that 80-degree mark earlier this afternoon, tying the record that was set back in both 2015 and 2016. Started out in the mid-60s this morning, which is perfectly normal for where we should be for our high temperatures this time of year. Not our morning lows. The record low was set back in 1983 at a bone-chilling 11 degrees. And again, it's going to stay relatively warm here over the next several days, all courtesy of this large ridge of high pressure that's situated here in the Gulf of Mexico. But it's also keeping us dry, so rain chances pretty minimal, at least over the next couple of days. We will start to see this ridge kind of break down a bit and move eastward as the week wears on, and that's going to start to introduce at least some slightly better rain chances to the area. So here's how it plays out with the latest graph model. Clouds kind of building in by tomorrow morning. It's going to be a mild start. Middle 60s for most of us, and those clouds kind of thin into the afternoon, so we'll call it a sun and cloud mix. Staying warm again, upper 70s to maybe even close to 80 degrees in spots, and winds will remain breezy out of the southwest as well. And then here we go, tomorrow night into Monday morning, pretty much similar story. Middle to upper 60s, and then right back up into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees Monday afternoon under partly to mostly cloudy skies. And again, slightly better rain chances as we head into Wednesday and at least portions of Thursday, as a frontal boundary is going to kind of stall out just to our north. So again, that'll give us the chance at least to see a few scattered showers across the area here, but that front not actually going to push through the area. So we're going to stay mild, upper 70s to 80 degrees for our high temperatures for the end of the week, and then looks like heading into the New Year's as well. And it does look like we could see a stronger front on the way for at least early parts of January. So we'll see how that plays out in the days ahead, but definitely not feeling like winter out there tonight. Middle 60s for that low temperature, and then here we go, upper 70s and maybe briefly hitting 80 degrees in spots tomorrow afternoon with a mixture of sun and clouds in place. And then here we go into Monday, pretty much similar story. Mid to upper 60s is where we'll start, and we'll top it out upper 70s to near 80 degrees once again Monday afternoon with partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. Winds will stay somewhat breezy out of the south-southwest over the next couple of days at around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and gusts at times could be even a little bit higher than that. So mild night ahead. We'll go 65 degrees or so for the overnight low, at least here in Lafayette. Partly to mostly cloudy skies in place. Light southerly wind as well. And then as we round out the holiday weekend tomorrow, another unseasonably warm day. We'll go 80, the projected high, at least here in Lafayette. The record is at 81. That was also set back in 2016. And again, a mixture of sun and clouds into the afternoon with those breezy southwesterly winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here we go, next several days for the rest of the year. Look at these temperatures, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. And again, slightly better rain chances Wednesday into Thursday, that as we head into the New Year's, and it looks like, at least at this point, a more promising cold front could arrive by next Sunday, and that could send temperatures back down into the 60s for our high temperatures, maybe overnight lows into the 40s and lower 50s, but we'll see how the pattern evolves there with time. But in the short term, we're continuing to track and talk about those warmer than normal conditions. Trey?